Hello students, this is the next lecture of consumer behavior. In the previous lecture we were discussing about motivation. This is in continuation with that lecture. Till now we have studied about the emotional motives, rational motives, positive motivation, negative motivations, Maslow hierarchy of needs and its implication. In this lecture we will be studying about McClelland's trio of needs theory. Trio of needs theory or the learned needs theory, McClelland states that the individual needs are acquired over a period of time and are learned on the basis of individuals' experiences. And he classified the needs into three categories. That's why it is known as trio of needs theory: need for power, need for affiliation, or need for achievement. It First one is need for power. It refers to the desire of a person to control others. Control others means it could be the person to whom the other person wants to control, the situation or the object he wants to control. The second one is the need for affiliation. It refers to the desire for friendship, belongingness, or social acceptance, whereas the need of achievement refers to a sense of pride, of accomplishment, or achieving some kind of success in life. We can compare the McClelland trio of needs theory to Maslow hierarchy of needs. So the McClelland's need for power is closely related to safety and esteem needs, whereas the need for affiliation relates to social needs. And the need for achievement relate to esteem and self-actualization needs. So the five levels of Maslow hierarchy has been transformed into three levels in McClelland's trio of needs theory. Now, what are the implications for marketeers of this theory? It help in shaping the consumers behavior, and it try to identify that why consumers are motivated towards consumption and purchase of particular product or services. So need for power means the person wants to control the situation, person. So people get attracted towards fast car, motorcycles with greater horsepower. Such automobiles depict masculinity, means the masculinity itself is means controlling someone. They want to exert their power on others, so they can uh, showcase their power and can exert their power on. They can control things like motorcycle or car. They can increase or decrease speed according to their own mood or according to their own choice. So they also desire for position in government and its machinery. See, in government, you have a power to change or to make some kind of policies and control others. So they want the people want to have in government job and its related department, so that they will be a part of decision making and policy making. So they have control over others. Second one is need for affiliation. Affiliation, it's all about relationship building. So people like to buy product or services that relate to their culture, social class or lifestyle. They prefer social approval from others to which class they belong. They buy similar kind of food, clothing, apparel, and even hobbies will match according to the class they belong to. So the people wants to party together. They want to celebrate together in a group or in their friend circle. So in such type of occasions, like beverages and snacks are common products, and people like to go on a holiday tour with their families and friends. So holiday packages are prepared by the tours and travel companies in such way that it attracts consumers on the basis of need for affiliation. Then is need for achievement. Need for achievement means they want to accomplish something. They want to have some kind of pride for achieving something. People desire to qualify some important examination leading to admission some premier institutes like IIT, IIMs, or they want to go for some good professional courses like medicines, law, business administrations, etc. This provides them a sense of accomplishment, pride. Thus, they join and take services from these coaching institutes. So they have a different value in society. If a person has done a BTech from IIT, so he has a different respect in society. So we can see here the examples we can understand according to the need. The first one is need for power, need to exert control over others, person, object, or situation. This we can understand with the brands how they are appealing their products. So, control over headache, pain, or agony. They want uh, to control their headache, they want to control their pain. So the segment which is targeting here is the youth, middle age, and old. So everyone wants to control the agony or the pain, the headache. So the product that has been projected by the company is Seridol, and the positioning appeal is agony. So here the consumer want to control over the pain. Next example is control over the speed, power, and travel. And the segment they want to target is the young generation. So the product the company has launched is Hero Honda bikes, 100cc, 150cc. So the here the appeal to attract young consumers are fill it, shut it, forget it. In the similar way, need for affiliation is all about belongingness and social acceptance. So in the similar manner, example, people sitting together and enjoying and partying. So here in office, the segment again is the young generation. The product is Nescafe and the coffee. So the positioning appeal here is togetherness and social appeal. These two examples belongs to the need for affiliation. Again, it is little tilted, so I am drawing lines so that it will be easier for you to understand. So the first example we saw about the youth who are partying together. So Nescafe coffee is a good product for hitting this kind of need. Again, is being together whole day long at work in spite of body odor and perspiration. Then segment again is the youth. Here the product is Rexona Deo Spray. This I have already discussed in the previous one, that these are kind of hidden motives or hidden need. So positioning appeal here done by the company is 24-hour intensive anti-perspirant. Now the last one is the need for achievement, the need for accomplishment or to achieve or to have some kind of excellence. Here the examples are the coaching institutes, and the target market is the teenagers who had just passed their 12th examination. They want to appear for some kind of examination. The product here is Bansal classes and this series. Positioning appeal is interview statements with toppers and high success rate. The second example is the suiting and shirting. That the again the target segment is the youth and the middle age. And the product is Grasim. The positioning appeal is successive executive conduct of business and meeting. So by showing the marketeers are hitting the target segment with specific need of the consumers. So what could be the implications for the marketeers based on the needs and their corresponding motives behind that need? The purchase and consumption behavior of a company uh, is decided. The marketeer can identify the vital clues for segmenting and positioning. Keeping all those things in mind, the marketer can identify the segment that would be most attractive for them, and they can design the marketing mix that suits the segment and then position the product accordingly. Let's take these examples quickly. The first one is Maggie 2 minutes noodles. So the need here is hunger, and the motive is quick snack which is easy to cook. So the segment here is children and the teenagers. The mix is small pack attractive color, packaging, fun and social appeal in advertisements. This could be a good mix for this kind of uh, product which is hitting the children and teenager segments. The example two is close-up gel toothpaste. The motive here is to prevent the bad breath, and the segment which is has been targeted here is the teenagers and youth. The mix that can come that the company can go for is three varieties: a regular, red, blue cluster, green, natural, and menthanol. So attractive color, packaging in various sizes, social appeals in advertisement. This could be a good mix for this product or this type of uh, motive. The third example is Maruti Versa. The motive here is traveling distances together. The major segment that car company is targeting here is large families, upper middle class segment. So the good mix could be a large spacious vehicle with double AC, 5 doors, and the range would be 5 lakhs. So this could be a good mix of marketing which is hitting the target market. So this is how it is important for marketeers and to design the strategy accordingly. So this is all for today's lecture. Thank you.